We'll go to emerging markets next. So just this question is, what are the opportunities or risks currently you're seeing in EM? And slide 39 is our the GIP model summary for emerging markets, but just curious to get your thoughts there.
Well, the risks are pretty clear. That when I'm selling all of EM, other than Poland, that means that the risks are going up of being long EM. If you didn't sell those, they just bounced the lower highs. So whether it be Colombia, pick it. I mean, I'm naked short EM Asia, Thailand, Indonesia, to name a few. So the update's very, very clear, which is reduce EM risk. And isn't that an amazing thing, despite dollar weakness, right? So if all you did was use a historical back test with one factor instead of being multi-factor, multi-duration, and dynamic on how this US cycle is in particular relative to everyone else's, you might buy EM, but that would have been a mistake for the last really 3 to 4 weeks because we've seen a breakdown in trend. Now, it's not to say that the trend can't be recaptured. It's just unlikely for now. And if it was likely, then the update would be Keith's adding something that isn't the tail risk ETF to his long only account. That's what I did yesterday. I didn't get any questions on that. It's a little odd, but the tail, which is the pretty easy ticker to understand, that's Meb Faber's tail risk ETF, which owns S&P puts. So that I added yesterday. So again, for the last, it was a 2-day bounce, Emma, in equities. It was not a 2-day bounce in a lot of other things. During a 2-day bounce in equities, you're either reducing your exposure to equities or you're not, right? And that includes emerging market equities. And that is a question for you this morning, not you, Emma, but well, maybe you. I don't know how actively you're trading the PA these days, but that's a question for you. Like, what do you do? If you have big losers that you didn't sell and the market bounces for 2 days and you still don't sell, that's on you. Like, why are you doing that? Well, hopefully you have a process and a reason that's different than mine, and that's okay. But if you don't, that's not okay, right? Because now you're just hoping, right? You're like 99% of people looking at their 401ks right now, like, OMG, when does this stop, right? And like I always say, that's the wrong question. When does it stop? The question is, when do you stop empowering people to run your money that way?
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.